Hi guys, my name is Zishan Akbar. Today in this video, I am going to teach you that how can we calculate percentage in Excel sheet. In Microsoft Excel sheet, there is a very simple formula for the calculation of percentage. For this, I have taken example of some students getting are taking different subjects in our class, and in one session test they got different marks out of 100 for each subject. The student's name was written as there are seven students. You can see in this that first one is Dilawar, Hamid, Usman, Zahid, Rashid, Shahid, and Heather. So first subject here is the mathematics. The total marks of the mathematics tests are 100, and all of them got these marks in mathematics from 100. For physics, the whole marks for the physics test were 100, and all students get these marks out of 100. For chemistry, the same scenario is shown here. These are obtained marks from 100 for all students, and for English, the whole obtained marks out of 100 are given in this table E. So simply, there are four subjects for 100 marks each. So the total marks for all these subjects will be 400. For all students, the total marks are 400. So simply for percentage of each student in these test series, so we have to obtain or we have to calculate the obtained mark for each student. So how we will calculate the obtained marks? In my last video, video number one, for Excel sheet calculations, I showed that how can we calculate the summation, or how can we calculate the total marks or the sum of different numbers. So simply we can write as equal. This is the operation in Excel sheet, and we will put as sum and open bracket. And for Dilawar, we have to sum up these four values: 78, 79, 68, and 81. I will start, or I will select this one, and I will drag it to the last English column, that is E, below the English, and I will close down the open bracket. This will sum up all the marks or total marks obtained for these four subjects by Dilawar. So it will be 306 marks obtained by the student Dilawar from 400. So I will not apply this formula and I individually on for all these students. So simply I will go here. Here you can see this cursor, this plus sign. This is a bold plus sign here, and when I take it to this corner of the cell, it becomes a thinner plus sign. So I will drag it to the last cell. It will calculate the sum of all the numbers. So you will ignore this error. These cells are calculating the obtained marks for all students from 400. From these total marks, the obtained marks are these one. So we have to calculate. So simply we can know that what is the formula for percentage. Simply the formula for percentage is the obtained marks divided by total marks multiplied by the 100. Simply if we apply this formula, we will be able to calculate percentage for each student. So simply let's go with this formula. Application of this formula: equal sign activates the functionality of Excel for this specific cell. So what are obtained marks for Dilawar? For Dilawar, the obtained marks are 306. So we will select this one, divided by total marks. Total marks for all students are 400, and multiply. Here the static sign is for multiplication. So multiply with the 100 will give us the percentage for the student. This is 76.5 percentage. So it means that the lover got 76.5% marks from 400. So simply we will repeat again the practice for copying the formula. So I will take this cursor, this plus sign, to this bottom of the cell, right bottom of the cell. Then I will drag it to the last column or last cell, and it will calculate automatically the percentage for all students. So here we can see the percentage calculated for all students in this, in these cells. So simply, what will we do? First of all, we will calculate the obtained marks for all students, and then we will apply the formula for percentage. This formula is the obtained marks divided by total marks and multiply with the 100. So simply this will calculate the percentage for each student separately, and when you will apply formula for first student, then you will drag it down, and the Excel sheet will automatically calculate the percentage for all the students. But for this, you have to keep total marks in a single column, in the same column, and obtain marks in the same column. Then your Excel sheet will work to calculate the percentage for all the students. Thank you very much.